Welcome to my YouTube channel, JM Auto Review. Today we're diving into the jaw-dropping BRABUS Rocket GT1000, a hypercar that redefines performance, luxury, and design. Buckle up as we explore its exterior, interior, and that exhilarating sound in this ultimate walk-around review. Let's start with the exterior. The Rocket GT1000 is based on the Mercedes-AMG GT63 S, but BRABUS takes it to an entirely new level. Its aggressive aerodynamics feature a carbon fiber wide-body kit, a prominent front splitter, and a massive rear diffuser for optimal downforce. The signature Monoblock Z forged wheels finished in matte black, paired with red accents, scream performance. And let's not forget the striking rocket red paint that gives this beast a bold and unmistakable presence. Moving inside, the interior is pure luxury infused with BRABUS craftsmanship. You'll find hand-stitched leather upholstery, Alcantara accents, and bespoke details like illuminated door sills and carbon fiber trim. The seats are not only supremely comfortable, but also sport-focused, offering full adjustability and bolstered support. The Rocket G2000 also boasts a 12.3-inch digital cockpit, customizable ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art Burmester surround sound system for the ultimate driving experience. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast. The 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, tuned to produce an insane 1,000 horsepower and 1,250 Nm of torque. This translates to a mind-blowing 0.60 mph time of just 2.8 seconds with a top speed of 205 mph. The sound? It's pure thunder, thanks to the BRABUS stainless steel exhaust with active flaps. So there you have it, a hypercar that combines breathtaking performance, head-turning design, and uncompromising luxury. Let me know in the comments what you think of the BRABUS Rocket G2000. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.